Hello guys, and welcome back to the latest episode of Lockdown Sneaker Showcase. Today we're here with the Nike Acronym Presto in the dynamic yellow colorway. These released on the 20th of September 2018 for a retail price of £170. So these are a boot-like trainer with zippers on both sides of the ankle, and compared to any other Prestos they're very different, with Acronym putting their own spin on it. And these I've worn a couple times, but unfortunately they're a bit too big, and when I put them on feet they're a bit loose. So with that said, let's get into the showcase.